time to be kind to one another. Hello everyone, welcome to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. If this is your first time on the channel, I want to welcome you to the AvgJoe family. And if you could do me a huge favor, the most charitable way to help support the channel is by clicking that like button. So please, 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 please do that right now if you can. I would surely appreciate it. So, we all know that watches, they tell time, they tell us the date. Sometimes they even tell us the moon. Sometimes they give us the day-night indicator. They could be a chronograph, for instance. There's so many different complications of a watch that I could probably spend an entire day just great timing, just talking about it. The alarm function, for instance. So today we're actually going to talk about the Breitling Navitimer. So we know Breitling's history with aviation. The Navitimer was really used for calculating speed and descension and ascension and all different types of features that are way above my pay grade. So these were made for pilots to calculate different equations while flying an airplane. But did you know that you could also use this on the ground as a layperson or an average Joe like yourself or myself? You could actually calculate different things such as a tip. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you guys a couple examples of how to use the slide rule of the Breitling Navitimer to calculate a tip. All right, so we're going to take a look at the rose gold version of the Navitimer, and as you can see there's a slide rule there. Take a look at the 10. What we're going to do is we're going to line the 10 up with the 4 because we want to actually take a $100 bill and we want to break it into 4 parts or a 25% tip. So what we'll then do is we'll go over to the 10 here and we'll see that it is indeed a $25 tip for a $100 bill. So let's take another example. We want to break the $100 bill into 5 parts. So 20% is going to equal, and if you take a look over here, line up at the 10, $20. So there's a few examples right there. So whether you're a cheapskate or you're a good tipper, you can do all those calculations on the Breitling Navitimer. So give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think down below. And also let me know if there's any other tutorials you'd like to see on the channel. I'd like to do more of those tutorials in the future. So that's my 2 cents. You guys can keep the change, and always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on AvgJoeWatchReviews. God bless, my friends.